Hello everyone, my name is Devashish and welcome to another video. In this video, we'll see how to create this beautiful looking awesome loading animation effect with the help of simple HTML and CSS. No other fancy stuff, no JavaScript, no other frameworks are required. Okay, so let's get started. First, to create this, we have simple index.html and styles.css files. We have kept it in the same folder. Okay, now just the basics of HTML, and here we will link our style sheet. Okay, href we will provide the link to our style sheet, which is styles.css. Here we need to provide only the name because I have kept both of them in the same folder. If you keep it in different folders, then the entire path is to be provided. Okay, so we'll have one div of loader. Inside that we will create these circles. There are 20 circles I have kept. Okay, so each circles are to be kept as a different span. Here we will have 20 spans. Okay, so just we will create one span. Okay. So let's just copy first and create the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are 9 spans we have here. To type it a little bit fast, we'll use the multi-cursor option in VS Code. Type style -i equal to for the first one we will have 1, second one it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's copy this and paste, keep it as 10. Copy entire this 10 and paste it here. Okay, and again use the multi-cursor. We'll have shit. Okay, we'll have 1. Okay, and there is a mistake, I have kept 5 twice, so we'll make it 6. Here we will make it 6, that means 16, and it will be 19. After that we need 20. So there are 20 spans we have created. Okay, that's all we need to have in our HTML. Now we will open it with live server. This is a great tool and we all should know about this. Okay, there is nothing right now, nothing to be shown. Now we'll go to the CSS part. First we'll have a body. Here we'll provide first margin 0, padding 0, display Then we'll have justify content as center and align items center. Okay, and a background will provide us this. If I save it, okay, another thing that is required, a minimum height that is required, so that we can make the loader division or any child element as both vertically and horizontally centered. So we'll use 100 VH on 100%. This is 100% of the viewport height, that is the entire height. Okay, now we'll have the dot loader, means the loader class. So first position is relative, then displays flex, then we will use this justify content and align items. Both are to be centered. Okay, then we'll provide a height and width. Let's just say the width, let's just say the width is 500 pixels and the height is also 500 pixels. Let's just have a background. See, now if I check it, why can't we see it? Okay, this name is wrong. So if I now check it, it's something like this. We have it. Now we'll keep the background to be transparent. Okay, now we'll come to the loader spans. So for individual loader span, we'll provide the position to be absolute. Then we'll have a width, say 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, and say we'll provide a background of say the same color. Now this is the individual spans. Okay, now suppose in this span we will have a before content loader span before element. First we need to provide the content, that is nothing. Now the position, say it's absolute. Okay, then we'll have top 0, left 0, width 10px, height 10px, and now if I provide a background, say the background is black, or just put another color kind of purple. Now if I save it, you can see it here. Okay, this is the thing. Now we'll have it, say, now what I need to do, first I need to provide it a border radius. We'll change the colors, everything. The colors are now provided just to let you understand that where the actual element is. Okay, now we'll provide a border radius of say 50%. Now it's a simple dot. Okay, kind of a dot, a simple circle. Now make this transparent. And if I save, we'll have this simple dot here. Make the color as chart reuse. So this is the dot. Okay, now here there are how many spans? There are 20 spans, right? So we'll create a rotation of each span. So we'll say transform rotate. Now the rotation will be total 360 degrees. So individual spans, the 360 degree will be distributed, the total 20 spans will be distributed in 360 degrees. Okay, so we'll use the CSS calc function, and individual spans will be 18 degree apart. So definitely we can have 18 degree into the value. So it's variable dash dash I. If I save it, now you can say all the spans are rotated, so all the simple before element we are getting like this. Okay, now we'll create a box shadow. Box shadow says 0 0 0, then we'll have 10px. So there will be different box shadows will provide of the same color. So for 10px we'll have chart reuse, comma, then again just copy this, let's just, here it is 10 20 30 40 50, this much. Then we'll have 160, there should be a 0 0, to 30 40 50, then say 60px, copy this 60, this is for 70, 80, 90 and 100. So 60, 70, 80, 90 and suppose 100. So if I check, it will look like this. Okay, there are several shadows, total 10 number of shadows are provided. Then we will create an animation because we have to rotate it, right? For that we will have an animation. So the name is animate. Then we'll have the duration for 1 second. Then we'll have it ease in out. So showing the option. So it's ease in out. Then there is no delay, suppose right now. Then we have iteration count. Let it be reverse. Okay, the direction will be reverse and the iteration count, let it be infinite. Okay, there is no requirement of any fill mode right now. Now this is the animation. I have to provide the animation here. Keyframes animate. Now what I need to do, we'll have this animate as we'll change the opacity from 0 to 1 and also we'll change the scale from 0 to 1. Okay, so at 0% we'll have, let's just say opacity is 0. Transform scale will be 0. Okay, that's all. Okay, we'll type it down. 100%. At 100% we'll have this opacity to be 1 and transform the scale to be 1. Now if I look, then it's rotating something like that. It's happening, it's not rotating but just glowing. We need to provide a rotation also with it, right? So first let's just have a filter effect also. Filter, we'll have hue rotate from 0 degree, filter hue rotate to 360 degree. Now if I check, now this is the thing which we are getting. And now to create a rotation effect, what we can do, we can create an animation delay. Okay, so if I provide a delay, of, say, we'll use the calculation function, we'll say that for 0.05 second into the variable. The variable is dash dash I, which we have here, right? This variable. Now if I save it, now we can have this effect. Okay, so all are having this animation, but this animation is delayed for individual elements, so that's why we are getting a rotation effect. There is no need to provide any other rotation to the spans, but simple we can have this animation effect with this. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Hope to see you again in the next video. Thanks very much.